Hello children, today we'll do the book exercise. In last class I have told you about articles and today we'll do the exercise of articles. First of all, come on page number 65. On page number 65 we have to fill in the blanks with the correct article from the brackets. In brackets there are two articles and we have to choose the correct one article. First, she went to watch the magic show. B. Tarun is the best swimmer in our class. We used the with the best. Third, dash earth revolves around dash sun. Before earth and before sun we use the only. So the will be here. D. A little boy came to deliver the flowers. E. My school is right next to the stadium. Second exercise, fill in the blanks with a or the. Here we have to use only a or the, not an anywhere. A. Amit has a dog and a sparrow as pets. The dog is very cute, but the sparrow is very noisy. Second sentence, I live near a park. I play with my friends in the park every day. I like the park very much. See, once upon a time there was a monkey and a crocodile who lived near a lake. The monkey lived on a huge mango tree. One day, when the monkey was eating mangoes, he saw the crocodile wander under the tree. He threw a mango down. The crocodile enjoyed the mango and thanked the monkey. The monkey and the crocodile became good friends. Okay, here is used the many times because as I told you in last class that whenever we use any noun two times or more in one sentence or para, then we use the in place of a. Okay, now come on third one exercise. In third exercise, read and rewrite the paragraph below, inserting a or the wherever necessary. We have to mention a or the where it is necessary. Okay, so first of all, Eva was a little girl. Eva was a little girl. One day she was sitting by the side of a stream. We have to mention a here. All around her were beautiful flowers and butterflies. Now A will be here. A little bird was singing on the tree near her. On the tree near her. She sat there listening to the song. To the song. She was wondering, here is not where, it is the. She was wondering the water in stream came from where and where it went. Suddenly she heard soft noise. She thought it was the leaves moving, but there was no breeze at all. Soon she saw a scene. She saw a strange little boat coming towards her. It was actually a flower. When it came closer, she saw tiny elves playing inside the flower. Now after full stop also here will be the. The elves were playing a sweet music. Okay, so this was the third one exercise. Now do the fourth one. In fourth one, what we have to do, identify the mistakes in this paragraph and rewrite it using the correct articles. Okay, so first is Thomas was a unicorn. Okay, we have to make remember here it is started with U, but the sound of this U is not A. The sound of U is U here. So we will use A. He was a very special unicorn. His family thought he was the most. Now here will be the in place of a. The most special unicorn. This was because Thomas had wings, he could fly. He had big, silky wings. They were the color of moonlight. They were the color of moonlight with a wing. No, with the wings. With the wings, he could fly to far off places and visit fairylands. He was a happy. He was a happy and helpful animal and made friends with everyone, even humans. He liked to play with the children. Here will be the. He liked to play with the children. Here will also be the in place of a. The children also enjoyed playing with him. Okay. Yes. One little boy was his special friend. He lived just outside the forest. Here will be the in place of N. Where Thomas lived, his name was David. Thomas was the best friend he had. Here will be the in place of a. Okay. Now, let's come on page number 75. On page number 75, first exercise, we have to underline the article. Correct article according to sentence. First is, my dog wears an old sweater in the winters. B, we had a great party last night. We went to the, not A here. Here will be the new shopping mall that was inaugurated last week. In D, the record of highest runs scored in Test cricket is held by Sachin Tendulkar. And E, our old gardener is an honest person. Okay. Now come on second one. Fill in the blank with the correct article. We have to choose the correct article and fill up the blank. It was such a hot day that I wanted to have an ice cream. B, Dad reached his office late because he had a flat tire. A, C, Romel always takes the bus instead of driving his office. D, what a wonderful movie. And E, please wear your helmet. Full stop. The traffic is very bad in the evenings. Okay. Now come on the exercise number 3. In exercise number 3, read each sentence and identify the articles that are incorrectly used. We have to choose the incorrect used articles, and in some sentences it can be no mistake anywhere. First, A, not N. A forest ranger shows us a, not N here also. A very rare owl in the forest. B, the teacher distributed the. Here will be the in place of A. The answer sheets among the, not A, among the students. C, the orange tree planted by my granny is full of blossoms. This is correct, so there is no changes. D, we got the shirt. Here will be the in place of A. The shirt exchange at not N mall, at the mall. And D, E, granny welcomed me with a warm hug. This is also correct, no change there. And last one, with sun we always use the. The sun rises in the east. Okay students, hope you understand and do your exercises carefully. Thank you.